Hello everyone. So this is Abhishek Mishra, and today we are going to discuss about list, and that will be day 3 in your Python basic playlist. So today we discuss about list function, list data structure. What is list? So list means when we want to add multiple data types in a single data structure. So that will be your list. Always remember, list is your mutable. It means ki if you want to make any changes, yes, you can do that. Like if you want to add any value or want to delete any value, so yes, list is giving you those opportunities, those things you can do easily. And you can create a list using this big bracket, right? So let's start this list. Let's suppose I'm creating a variable, and in this variable I'm using this equal to, and after that I'm using this big bracket. So I have already told you now that this big bracket we use for creating a list, and inside that big bracket we can add multiple data types. Multiple data types means I'm putting this integer value, also I'm putting some float value, right? This 4.3 is your float value, and also I'm putting the string value, right? And if I check the data type of this a, so it will give me list. Why list? Because we have put all those values inside this big bracket. And always remember, this is your comma separated. It means that this one is available on 0th index, next index is this 2, this is your next index, this will be your next index, and this will be your next index, because this is a comma separated, right? So yes, using this big bracket you can create a list. So if I print this a, so I will get the list detail, right? So this is my data structure where I'm putting integer values, I'm putting this float values, also I'm putting some string values, right? Then same we can use indexing in list just like your string, right? Let me use the same variable, same data. So it will be easy to understand about indexing, because we have already discussed about this indexing in string, because both are same or almost same. So if I put this print a 0, what it means? It means that I want to print this 0th index value. What is your 0th index value in this list? So this one is your 0th index value available in this list, right? So when I execute this cell, see, yes, I'm getting this one only. If I ask you what is the third index value, so what is the third index value? So this is your 0, 1, 2 and 3. So third index by we have this 4.3. When I execute this cell, I'm getting this 4.3. And if I ask you what is the fourth index value available in your list, then this hello will be on your fourth index. See, this hello is available on your fourth index, right? So yes, just like your string, we can use indexing. Also you can use reverse indexing. If I ask you what is the -1 index value, then so minus 1, this hello is available on -1 indexing. So when I execute this cell, see, I'm getting this hello. If I ask you what is this -3 index value, then so this will be -1, -2 and -3. So this 3 is your -3 index value. See, so yes, we can use indexing just like your string indexing. Next we will move and let's discuss about list slicing. Let me use the same example. And slicing is also same, just like your string slicing. See, if I ask you, I want to start indexing from 1 to 4, then the value should start from first index and it will go till the third index. What will be my output? My output will be 2, because this is available on 1 index, 2 index and 3 index. I will get 2, 3 and 4.3. So when I execute this cell, I will get this 4, 3 and 4.3, right? Because the value will start from first index to third index. Okay, next, let's suppose I'm not putting the ending index. Then if I forget or I'm not putting the ending index, then it will start from first index and it will go till the end. So the value will start from first index and it will go till the last element, right? So the value will start from 2, then 3, then 4.3, and after that we will get this hello. Let's suppose we forget to mention the starting index as well, then it will start from 0th index. So by default it takes from 0, and by default it takes as last index. So this time the value will start from 0th index till the last element, right? So the value start from, like, the value is 1 2 3 4.3 and hello. So the value start from 0 to n, because I am not mentioning anything in the starting index as well as in your ending index. That's why the value is starting from 0 to last. Okay, so this is all about your list slicing, just like your string slicing. I hope everyone is clear about that. Next, we will move and let's discuss about concatenation. Let's suppose we have a list where we have 1, then 2, after that 3, then 4 and 5. We have one more list. V is equals to, we have, let's suppose we have 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then if we want to concatenate those two lists, then I can simply use A plus B. Print A plus B. I will get concatenation of those two lists. I am getting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? All those two lists concatenate together. But guys, if you notice, we are not getting, like, A is still same and your B is also same. See, A is your same, B is also same, right? Let's suppose you want to update those, like you want to concatenate and update those values in another variable, right? So yes, we can use A plus B, right? Now your C is the concatenation of A and B, right? So like that, you can create a new variable, and inside that variable you can put the concatenation of A and B. Same you can use multiplication. Let's suppose you want to multiply all those elements 3 times. So yes, you will get this 1 2, let me reduce this list. So I will get 1 2 3, then again 1 2 3 and again 1 2 3, because I am multiplying this A with 3 times. That's why I'm getting this 1 2 3, again I'm getting this 1 2 3, and again I'm getting this 1 2 and 3, right? Okay, so this is all about your concatenation and multiplication, duplicate values, putting in a list. Next we discuss about some functions, and my first function will be length function. Let's suppose we have this hello as well, right? And if I ask you what is the length of this A, then so what this length method does, basically length method will tell you the total elements available in your list. So how many total elements we have? We have this 1, after that we have this 2, then 3, then this 4th element. So total we have 4 element, right? So when I execute this cell, I will get only 4. So how many elements we have? We have only total 4 elements, right? This will be your first element, this will be your second element, this is your third element, and this is your element number 4, right? Same we can check for minimum. Let's suppose we want to find what is the minimum value available in your list, right? So I just need to use this minimum function here, and when I execute this cell, I will get 0, because 0 is the minimum value available in this list. But if you have a string here, let's suppose we have A, then what do you think? What will be your minimum value? That time it will throw you an error. Why? Because Python will confuse. How Python can understand, how Python can identify that this 0 is less or this A is your minimum value, right? So we cannot see, your output is also like this error is also telling you that we cannot compare this string with list, string with this integer, right? So we can only find the minimum value or maximum value for same data type. Like if we have integer or float data, so we can find the minimum value, or we have the string data, then also we can find the minimum or maximum value, right? Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, we have this B, then we have this A, and after that we have this C, and we have this Z, right? If I want to find the minimum value, so yes, this A is your minimum value here, right? Because we have the same data type. Okay, Guys, next we will move and let's discuss about max function. So this, instead of min, we can use max function, and the max function will give you the maximum value available in your list. So what is the maximum value available in your list? This 100 is your maximum value, right? Same, you can check the maximum value for your list as well, this string data. So yes, this z is available, like z is the maximum value available in this list where we have b, a, c and z. So z is the maximum value, right? So yes, this is all about your maximum function. Next we discuss about sum function. So sum will give you the total of a list. So what is the total of this list? We have this 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, it will be 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 100, it will be 106, plus 99, it will be 205. So sum function will give you the total. Sum function will give you the total of the list, right? So yes, the sum of this list is 205. Let's suppose you want to make the ascending or descending order of this list. You want to arrange this list into ascending format. Then what you can do? That time you can use sort function. Sort. You can use this sorted function, right? So when you use this sorted function, you will get this ascending format. See, I'm getting this 0 first, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Sorry, 3 के बाद में we are getting this 99 and last में we are getting this 100, right? So the values starting from 0, then 1, 2, then 3, then 99 and 100. Now let's suppose you want to arrange this list in descending format. So that time you need to use a argument, that is comma, reverse is equals to true, right? And when I execute this cell, that time you will get the values in descending format. See, first I got this 100, then I'm getting this 99, then 3, then 2, then 1, and last me we are getting this 0. So if you want ascending format, use this, and if you want descending format, you use this, right? But always remember, this function will not change in your original variable. If you want to print your a, so your a is still same. See, your a is still same. So this sorted method cannot make any changes in your original variable. Okay, it just print the value in ascending or descending format. Okay. Okay, so guys, next we are moving ahead and let's discuss about list method, where my first method will be append method. Let's suppose we have a list where we have 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? And let's suppose we want to add a single value, and that is hello, inside this a. I want to add hello inside this variable a. Then how we can do that? That time we can use this append method. A dot append, inside that I can mention this hello. And when I print this a, see, this hello has added in the last. Always remember, append method will add a value in the last only, right? So I'm getting this 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 and 7, and in the last this new value added as hello. And this append method make changes in your original variable. See, permanently, it add permanently. This append method to permanently add an item to the end of a list, right? Let's suppose last may you also want to add Rahul. Yes, so when you print run this cell, you will get this Rahul again, right? Okay, let me remove this so you will have a good understanding. If once we have this hello, after that we are adding this Rahul. So hello already added, then I want to add this Rahul, right? Okay. Let's suppose we have two lists. Can we concatenate two lists using append? A is equals to 1, 2 and 3, and B is equals to this 4, 5 and 6, right? A dot append this B, and in the last I'm printing the value of A. See, so this append method adding those values which are available in B, but it is adding all those values in a single index. See, so this is your list inside a list, but we have one more method that can resolve that problem. We have this in extend method. So when I use this extend method, see, extend method, so this problem will be resolved. See, I'm getting this 1, 2, 3, then I'm getting this 4, 5 and 6. So append method can only add a value in a single index, but extend method can does. And that is the difference between append and extend method. And don't worry, both methods make changes in your original variable. So if I check my a, so my a has updated now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay. Guys, next we discuss about how we can draw few values from a list. Right? Let's suppose, okay, let me use this. Let me use a list where I have some textual data as well. Right? Okay. So yes, this is my A, where I have hello and we have few other values. We have 1, 2, 3 and hello. So we can use pop method for dropping a value. But always remember this pop method drop a value using index value. Right? Let's suppose we want to drop this hello. Then how we can do that? We just need to use a dot pop, and then I need to mention the index number of that hello. What is the index number of this hello? 3, right? And when I use this 3 and want to print this a, see, we have only 1, 2 and 3, right? So using this pop method you can drop a value, but the condition is same key, you need to mention the index, right? And the value will be deleted permanently from your list. See, if I want to print my a, so this hello is no more available in your list, right? So if you want to drop a value using index number, use pop method. But if you want to drop a value using value itself, use remove method. Let's suppose same condition, same question, I want to remove this hello. Then how we can do that? That time you need to use remove method. Inside that remove, you need to put the value as it is. So I'm putting this hello, and this remove method also drop the value from your original data set, right? So this hello is no more, and if I want to print this a, so see, hello is no more. So yes, you can use both. You can use either append method or you can use this remove method. Sorry, you can use pop method or you can use remove method. Pop method you can use, but you need to mention the index number. But in remove method, instead of index number, you need to mention the value itself, right? That is the difference between pop and remove. Okay, next we discuss about count method. Let's suppose we have a is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So this count method will tell you how many times this 1 is available in your list, right? So 1 is available 2 times, right? So count method is same just like your count method working in string function. Okay, so this is all about your count method. Next we discuss about index method. Let's suppose you don't know the index number available in your list. Let's suppose you don't know what is the index number of this hello. So that time you can use a dot index of this hello, a dot index. But always remember, in the last class we discussed ki using find method we can find the index in string, but that find method cannot use in list. That's why we use this index method. So when I put this a dot index and then I'm mentioning this hello, so my Python will check if where is this hello and what is the index of that hello. So 3 is the index number of this hello. If I want to check what is the index number of this 2, so yes, it will give me 2, sorry 1, because this 2 is available on index number 1, right? So this 2 is available on index number 1. Next we discuss about sort method. So guys, this sort method will make changes on your original data frame, right? While your sorted method cannot, but your sort method can does, right? Okay, so a dot sort, and when you print a, so it will give you ascending format. See, and those changes already happen on your original data set, original variable, right? Everything is available in ascending format, but if you want in descending format, then you need to use reverse is equals to 2 inside that parenthesis, right? Now you will get the descending format, and yes, your original variable had changed, because this sorted method can make changes on your original variable, right? and you can make the ascending or descending format using this sort method. I hope now everyone is clear what is the difference between sort and sorted. Sorted is a function which cannot make changes in your original variable, but sort method can does, right? Sorted cannot make any changes on your original variable, but sort method can does the changes. Okay, next we discuss about reverse method. Let's suppose you want to print this string in reverse format, then you just need to use a dot reverse. Reverse, done. And when you want to print your a, you will get descending format of this list. So first you will get 99, then you will get this 100, after that you will get this 0, then 3, then 2, and last may you will get this 1. And yes, we have one more option to make the reverse of this list, see, but that is related to slicing and step size. You can use a, then big bracket, I want to start the value from 0 to last, and also -1. So I'm using this -1 step size mein, I'm using this -1, so it means ki it will print the value from 0 to last and in reverse formatting. So first I'm getting this 99, then 100, then 0, then 3, 2, and 1, right? But your original variable is still same. See, your original variable is still same, but here your original variable has updated. If you use this reverse method in list, so it will make changes in your original variable, but if you use this slicing method, so it will not make changes in your original variable, right? So that is the difference between reverse and your slicing method, right? Next we discuss about nested list. Let's suppose we have a list a is equals to 1, 2, and 3, and we have one more list b is equals to a, then we have this b, then we have this c, and last we are having this d. And c is equals to, I'm putting this a, and then I'm putting this b. Last I want to print this c. So instead of a you will get this list, or instead of v you will get this list. So that is known as nested list. Nested list means list inside a list, right? So you are having a list inside a list. But if I ask you what is the length of this list, so how many elements are available in your C, in this variable c? So this will be your first element and this will be your second element. So there are only 2 elements are available. See, because this is your comma separator now. So yes, this is your first comma for this list only, for this list only, right? So we have nested list inside 2 list, and this is known as list inside list as nested list. Okay, so guys, that's all about your day 3 list. We have completed the basic understanding about list. In the next class we discuss about tuple, set, and dictionary, right? So that's all about today. Bye bye, take care everyone.